irrespective of the gender, certainly a face coach a problem the personally or in the family or otherwise uncle friends certainly. But Rababna, name Kirti, what is your experience out of it? Malari
Yes.
Tajpasun Katan.
Yes. So first of all, thank you very much. You considered me as an important person to be involved in this group. So thank you very
Yeah.
much, Mai. It's indeed a great honor to be part of GSB Women's
Same
Group.
here.
Yes, and also would like to thank Manju for Churam Builders for connecting me with you at the
Yeah.
onset. So thank you very much, and especially women, Monjay Napada, mental health is very important. So as you rightly said, so when we start talking about mental health, the first thing which comes to everybody's mind is anxiety and depression, and I think we should talk about both. Depression is a
Right.
very strong aspect in mental health, and
Yeah.
usually what happens is people tend to push it under the rug. We don't want to talk about depression.
Yeah.
We think depression on Sangin Jala, either it is too trivialized, Malata cinema Sadakam Cholari, they think like depression malari mental problem Janna Najalari, mental in the sense pishe or
Yeah.
got mental in the wrong sense. So what
Hmm.
happens is people are not even willing to think about it as a disease which needs to be
Sitting.
taken care of.
Ah,
Talatamka
yeah.
headache fever the first thing we think of is let's go to the doctor, let's take
Yeah.
the health checkup, ittimon find out Korean. But the same
Right.
thing does not appeal to when it is a mental illness solely,
Yeah.
and especially depression is very prevalent, not
Hmm.
only in the adult population, even in children. So I work with the Apollo group of hospitals where we have adult hospital and the children hospital, and we do see quite a number of children also having severe depression with self-harm, especially children starting from 7 years to teenage. So it is very
Oh,
disheartening to know that
yeah.
there was a time when we thought that children are the most lovable and childhood is the
Yeah.
most happiest part of our life, but we are also seeing younger kids getting into stress and anxiety and depression
Oh,
like this. So
oh,
right now I will focus more on mental health per se, as in depression in women, and little bit
hmm.
I will talk about in children as well. So the whole
Yeah.
about 20 minutes what I will talk about is the different severities or types of depression. Why is
Yeah.
it more in women?
Yeah.
And what are the stereotypes which we generally hear or observe when we talk about
Yeah.
mental illness? And of course, what can we do? So, what are the
Yeah.
tips?
Please.
Because
Yeah.
just by
Yeah.
talking about mental illness, depression, we are only touching the iceberg, tip of the iceberg. We need to also
Yeah.
go
Right.
down into
Yeah.
what can we do as as a community to help each other, to
Yes.
support each other. So
Yeah.
at the onset, it is a great opportunity that we are reaching grassroots levels and taking
Right.
the
Right.
message right
Yeah.
there to all
Yeah.
women folks there. So
Yeah.
to
So
begin with,
when you said
huh,
this, I want to contribute.
yes,
Let us use the platform we
huh,
created, the Women of GSB, the platform to use this as a platform, as a medium to reach
yes,
our members and
yes,
through them the grassroots of
yes,
our society about a topic which is very relevant and which is very important to
yes.
address. Now,
Yes,
Kirti, yeah,
very true, very true.
yeah.
So to
So,
begin with, generally what we understand as depression is we do have classification. So we do have ICD-11, which we use now, and the DSM, which is developed based on a lot of research by the WHO and the American Psychiatric Association. So it is not that just because I'm sad for a few days, I call myself depressed.
Yeah.
There are specific guidelines. So like how you, if you want to say that you have malaria, you need to have certain specific symptoms. Similarly,
Yeah.
you need to have certain symptoms, like you need to be sad for at least 2 weeks pervasively. You should have sleep disturbance. You should have uh, difficulty or not in no interest in eating, no interest in your usual day-to-day activities, even to have bath or even to take care of your children,
Mm.
no interest in interacting with other people. So we call it anhedonia, anergia, lack of interest in any pleasurable activities. There are
Okay.
also stages where we call mild, moderate, and severe. So there are also symptoms where people actively think of self-harm, death, hopelessness, helplessness, worthlessness. They get irritated, angry a lot compared to
Mm.
general mood symptoms. So we need to be
Mm.
very clear that we understand depression as a disorder, and we need to
Mm.
know whether it is on a mild, moderate, or a severe level. Of course, depression
Okay.
can also come with psychotic features, like how people can hear voices, the
Mm.
hallucinations, or people think that somebody is going to kill them, a delusional
Mm.
level.
Mm.
Most of the time what happens is, especially women, we do have a higher uh, propensity or probability of getting depressed, mainly because of our progesterones and estrogens. But we need them
Okay.
because we are women. We want to have children, so we need
Yeah.
our progesterones and the estrogens.
Yeah.
But the side effect of it is there is a tendency that we they push us into depression. So it's not
Mm.
that all women need to go through depression, but the
Yeah.
probability is higher there.
I
And
understand.
especially when the girl attains menarche, when you are when the woman is pregnant, postpartum, so after delivery, during
Mm.
menopausal time, when you go through a hysterectomy. So every stage of a woman's life, which is a very important aspect in our life. So
Yeah.
when we get our first period, it's a very important stage in our life. But it's
Yeah.
also that we have a tendency to get depressed. So we need to be very clear, and this is a very important aspect which all of us need to know, that we need to support the woman there, the child who
Yeah.
becomes
Right.
a girl, the girl who
Yeah.
becomes a woman, and the woman who gets into menopause. So it is an important life stage in each one of our lives, and we need to
Mm.
support each other, because only a woman can understand a woman.
Right. Right. Right.
And that, I think, is a strong message. So as
Yeah.
a group, when we support each other, we are also looking at seasonal affective disorders, where uh, things like when you have a winter season, when
Mm.
it is more gloomy and not much
Yeah.
of light
Sun.
sunlight, there is a
Yeah.
tendency of people to get into depression, which is equal for
Yeah.
both men and women. We
Mm.
also see recurrent depression. So, every year or every few months or few years, people can get back into a relapse. People can
Mm.
also have something called dysthymia, which is a lower grade of depression, where it is more where they feel very lethargic, tired, sad, but they may not have very severe suicidal or self-harm thoughts. So we
Mm.
need to
Mm.
understand that depression is not just a one term which we can just casually say that I am
Okay.
having headache kind of way that I'm depressed. It is
Um,
much more than that. So we need to
okay.
respect that term, and we need to understand that it is a disorder which can be taken care of, and which needs to be given the importance that people take care of, treatment wise, take care of the individual, and take that individual for treatment, both medical and psychotherapy.
Yeah.
So,
So,
uh,
just a small interruption,
yeah,
Kirti. You said women are the strength of one woman is the strength of the other one. When
yes,
you said this, I would like to highlight what you said now to the group, that see,
yes,
Kirti says there are many kinds of depression. So, for each and every kind of depression, we need to understand the depth and what kind of depression it is, and it can associate with your upbringing at each of your stage of growth and into a womanhood, postpartum, while you are feeding your little baby, while you are new to an environment. So managing your depression is in the hands of your family. Only then comes the psychologist. So it's a accumulative, or it's a collective effort to manage depression. So let's try and understand what Kirti can help us about how she advises us. Please try and understand these points, what she's told us now very clearly, and
Yes.
let's now again hear Kirti as to how we can manage. Yeah.
Yes. So we also need to understand first part is that awareness is very important. So it's
Yeah. Right.
important that we are aware that there is a tendency and we cannot or we should not be pushing these symptoms under the rug. Talk about it. So there is this
Hmm.
quote which we usually say, it's by the WHO. It's
Yeah.
okay to be depressed, but it is
Hmm.
not okay to be okay about it.
Okay. Okay. It's okay to be depressed, but it's not okay to be
Just be okay
uh,
about it.
yeah, just be okay about it. But let's talk it aloud. Let's talk it
Yes,
aloud.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly, exactly. So accept if you or anybody else in your family or a friend you know is going through a depression or a high anxiety, uh, it is not that they are weak mentally, or it's not that they are not able to help themselves. It's much beyond that. It's the neurochemicals, it's the hormones, it's of course the environment. But we cannot just blame the individual saying that you are not mentally strong and that's the reason why you went into depression. So it is definitely not that, so just because when you climbed up the stair and you fell down, will you scold that person that you
Yeah.
did not see the
Yeah.
stairs properly, or you did
Yeah.
not build the house properly, that's why I felt. We wouldn't even think
Mm.
of these terms, right? These
Yeah.
statements. But why are we doing that when a person is saying that I am depressed or I am anxious? So we need
Mm.
to be sensitive to these statements which we are saying. So many
Okay.
times what happens is when people cry, I've heard this also, when when something is worrying me and I cry, it is very cathartic. So allow the
Mm.
individual to cry, talk about it. What do we first say is ronaka ronaka rannarabai.
Mm.
Why
Mm.
do we have to say that? We are in an open society, we are citizens of a democratic country. We are allowed to cry. We are not killing somebody, we are not hurting somebody by throwing things. We are allowing ourselves to be, the ventilation, to allow our feelings to be expressed. So the
Okay.
others in the family, others in the support group has to be sensitive that allow that person to talk about it. Many times what happens is just by talking about it itself cures many people, because many times
Mm.
that we call it the volcano, where you are suppressing and suppressing and suppressing, and one fine day it just erupts into a major depressive episode.
Mm.
It is definitely a big help when when we are allowing the individual to first be aware that these are
Yeah.
things which are happening in my life, and
Mm.
let me talk about it, let me cry about it. Others,
Okay.
whoever is listening, please support that person, allow the person to cry, allow the person to talk about, and do not give in judgmental statements as to
Yeah.
you should have
Right.
been stronger, why did you allow
Mm.
this to happen to you? It's
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
this particular person who's going through a depressive episode wanted her. It's not that he planned and said, okay, 9th
Yeah.
of sorry, 10th of January, I'm going to get depressed and I'm going to cry. Not like
Uh,
that. It
but
is
yeah. Yeah.
a strong feeling in your mind, and we have
Yeah.
to appreciate and be sensitive to that person. And that
Okay.
itself goes a long way in taking treatment wise. So
Yeah.
that is my first message to all of us, that we have to
So be sensitive, be patient to hear the
yes,
person who is depressed, and
yes,
be her comfort zone. So
yes,
that itself can help her a lot. That's what you're
yes,
trying to tell me.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
first take home message which I would like each one of us to support each other. When you
Yeah.
support another person, it is also a win-win, because when I support someone, I am also producing the oxytocin and the serotonin, which keeps me healthy mentally. So when I am helping someone, of course, the serotonin and the oxytocin, which helps the other person, is also
Okay.
produced in me. So it's a double whammy there when we are in a role of support giving. So,
Okay.
it is a collective way of supporting each other. And as such,
Yeah.
the community grows. So we are looking
Mm.
at mental wellness there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Mm.
we also need to understand that when we look at stereotypes, we usually say that women have to do certain things only. Women cannot
Mm.
do certain things. Like, for example, women cannot drive. Women cannot walk out on the road after a
Mm.
particular time. Of course, I
Yeah.
agree that safety is important,
Yeah.
but some
Mm.
strong stereotypes. Uh, we also have to think whether are they helpful for us,
Mm.
are these stereotypes, are these, so I'm not against any ritual. We have to follow rituals, we have to have our value systems, we have to follow our
Yeah.
religious ceremonies, but what I'm saying is what is there in certain mindset, that if you
Mm.
cry, you are, if a boy is crying, he is called as a girl. If a girl is
Yeah.
crying, I was told this when I was younger, that you cannot drive because you are a girl.
Oh.
Okay. So at that time, I believed, because I thought, okay,
Yeah.
that must be true. But when
Mm.
I started reading up, I understood that what is wrong. It's always the
Yeah.
same thing, right? It's all the same
Mm.
brain. It is
Mm.
a skill you develop. So things like
Mm.
boys cannot cook. Why?
Mm.
Everybody
Yeah.
can cook. It's a skill. So
Especially these days when it's not no, the joint family system is
yeah,
nowhere to be seen.
right.
Cooking is equally important
Yeah.
when both are working, and even if it's only one is working, there's nothing wrong if the other person is helping her out, or
Exactly,
um,
exactly.
yeah.
So it's the same tomato and the lady's finger. Even if the boys cut or the women cut or the men cut, it is going to cut. It is going to cook. So
Yeah.
the vegetable is not going to tell you it's a man cooking, so I won't cook. It is for
Yeah.
us to agree and believe that it
Right.
is a life skill. We need to go beyond, think beyond the stereotypes, support each other,
Mm.
and most importantly, understand that we are human beings worthy of respect.
Mm.
When we understand that we are all human beings worthy of respect. So, because many times what we
Mm.
also think as women is, do you think, I don't know if I will be able to manage because I'm a lady.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard people
Okay.
saying that because
Yeah.
uh, makako rujatan mem makaka because I am a girl,
Right.
I'm a woman.
Mm.
Okay, why?
Yeah.
You look at it, we do have so strong immune systems. We can take care of, a baby in the womb, give birth
Yeah.
with like a second rebirth for the mother. When we can
Yeah.
do things like driving or climbing a staircase, or even giving a presentation, being a CEO, climbing Mount Everest, can be so easy for us, right? It's
Mm.
just the grit and the determination which we need as women. So the
Yeah.
first, I would want all of us to
It's
look
the
at.
grit and the determination, and it's the
Yes,
mindset.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So it is our mindset which pushes us. So when we look at, oh my God, I need to be a stay-at-home mother because I need to. This is the only thing I need to do is what is tying you down. Nobody
Mm.
is punishing you. There is no rule in India or any part of the world which says women have to just sit at home. Women are allowed to study, women are allowed to work, women are allowed to, and women are very good in multitasking. So women
Mm.
can
Yeah.
do to get home, take calls, take care of the young baby, and we need to be proud that we can do all that. That's how our
Yeah.
brain is wired.
And men need to do their MBAs to manage everything. But we are
Exactly.
natural managers,
Yes,
natural
yes,
multitask. Yeah.
yes. So,
Yeah.
there was a comparative study between men CEOs and the women CEOs, and they wanted to see, and they found many of the companies, the women CEOs were much better, effective managers, leaders.
Uh-huh.
Compared
Yeah,
to,
okay.
okay, so the study is
So
available. So,
that's a very good point. No note.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's not that I'm saying men are bad. Men are definitely needed, and we
Yeah.
need them in our lives. We need them to
Yeah.
support, and of course we support them as well. But what I'm
Yeah.
saying, just because we have a gender assigned to us by nature, doesn't mean that we are any less than any other gender. So
Okay.
that's the message which we need to clearly believe. Uh,
Okay.
there are also sometimes stressful life events, like now we've had a COVID lockdown. We
Mm.
can be going through a financial problems. We can
Mm.
have maybe somebody in the house who's not well,
Yeah.
somebody in the house who has, maybe something education wise or work
Mm.
occupation or work wise. So there can
Mm.
be stressful life events in everybody's life. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's important that we also understand that stress is something which is inevitable.
Mm.
So what we generally say is, if something does not kill you, it helps you to be more resilient.
Oh, okay.
So that is also a lesson which, so what happens
Yeah.
is, when we know that we are going through a life event, it is something which is inevitable. Somebody is not well, somebody's lost a job, somebody's not able to study enough or well as much as we expect them. It's also important for us to know, by uh, continuously worrying about it. We call this word rumination. What happens in rumination is constantly circling and thinking about the same thing again, 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 again.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when we constantly ruminate, what happens is, it is only adding to our stress hormones.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So what
Mm-hmm.
happens is, again, we are looking at the hypothalamic pituitary adrenaline axis, which says that when we are constantly thinking, constantly thinking, what happens is, it stimulates the pituitary adrenaline cortex, and it adds on to our stress hormone, leading
So
to, of course,
is that a vicious circle then?
yes,
Is that a vicious circle? Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So many times
Yeah.
what happens is, it adds on to the stress, and then that stress adds on to our thinking, and that's where it spirals down into. So we hear more people, stress leading to diabetes, stress leading to hypertension, or stress leading
Uh-huh.
to any of, menstrual problems. So the
Mm.
stress added on to it, and it's not just that life event, it is the thought about it. So it is
Mm-hmm.
important that we understand first that by ruminating about it, we are not going to help ourselves. So we
Mm.
usually quote this acronym, which is called THINK, think.
Think. Okay.
Think. So the
Mm.
each alphabet stands for a particular expansion. So T
Mm.
is true. So we
Mm.
have to think whether this particular thought, is it true.
Mm.
So by thinking
Okay.
that I'm going to lose my job or my son is going to fail, is it really true?
Mm.
Do I have all the
Okay.
evidence? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The H
Mm.
stands for helpful. Is this thought
Mm.
helping me in any way? By
Okay.
thinking that I'm a bad mother, is it helping
Mm.
me in any way? Of course, no.
Okay.
I stands for inspiration. So is this thought
Mm.
inspiring me to move further, or actually pushing me down? So
Oh, okay.
I stands for inspiring. N
Mm-hmm.
stands for necessary. Is it really necessary for me to think about it and worry about it right now? Or
Mm-hmm.
can I revisit it later?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And K stands
Mm.
for kind. So am I
K
being
stands
kind?
for
Kind.
kind.
Huh.
Okay.
So am I being kind to myself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So,
So
if I can interrupt, Kirti, you said think.
ah,
So, this adrenaline rush and the vicious circle you are put into does not allow you naturally to think beyond such things.
ah,
And so, you need help there itself.
yes,
Only
yes,
then
yes,
you can even think, as how you
yes.
said, right?
So
So,
that's
how
why
do we go about that?
so that's why I was telling you in the beginning that we need to have a support system.
Okay.
Start with your
Okay.
family, with your friends, and if others in the family, please allow them the listening ear. And if
Okay.
you want, you can always meet the mental health professional. We are always there to support you.
Yeah.
Then we move on. So once the emotions are little bit controlled, that's our limbic system. So when you allow the emotions to be little bit on the manageable level, then we start looking at the thoughts. That's when we look at the ruminations.
Okay. Okay.
That's when the
Okay.
think acronym helps.
Okay. Got it.
So
Yeah.
we are looking at, is the thought true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it really necessary? Is it kind?
Fine. Okay.
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 So please remember the think or and
Yeah. So let's all think. Let's all think, right?
yes,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
yes, that's a strong message. And many people, when we use this acronym, many people have come back and said it really helped when they think about the
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
I would also want to say a little bit about kindness.
Hmm.
So what happens is we are generally kind to everyone. We
Yeah.
generally
True.
say that, Ayo,
Correct.
Papa, Kashtadalla,
Hmm.
right? But are we
Yeah.
also kind to ourselves?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
but given our circumstances, especially in the GSP women, we find it, we don't see ourselves as an entity. Like,
yes,
for example, even Sakani Khana Javan Kartana. So
exactly.
we feed everybody,
Ah,
and then
yes,
we think of ourselves.
yes,
We keep ourselves hungry.
hungry.
We no, so
Yes, yes,
we are put at the back by ourselves. That's
ourselves.
not to be done.
Yes, yes,
That's not
exactly.
to be.
Exactly. So the point here is that when you are being kind to yourself, you're also
Hmm.
taking care of yourself. So there is no
Yeah.
selfishness there. So when
Hmm.
you eat on time, sleep adequately, okay, take care of your personal hygiene, okay,
Hmm.
buy things for you. As in, I'm not saying go buy things as to buy a
Yeah.
diamond necklace for yourself, but even
Yeah.
small things. Okay,
Hmm.
for Diwali, you buy a new sari for you.
Yeah.
What's wrong in that? Okay, but what is the stereotype there is, if you buy something, if you eat before your children, if you eat before other people, you are selfish.
Hmm.
That's a
Hmm.
stereotype. So we also have to
Hmm.
understand that you being healthy is very important in that family. If you
Yeah.
are not
Right.
being healthy,
Right.
how are you going to take care of others in the family?
Yeah. Right. Yeah. That's
Okay.
something every one of us need to understand and inculcate in ourselves the habit of reckoning ourselves with the other members of the family.
Correct, correct. So
Yeah.
first, there's nothing wrong in standing up for yourself. It's a basic right of eating on time, sleeping on time, having adequate rest, giving enough time to watch maybe some TV or go for walk or go to the temple, which is fine because you are supporting yourself. And unless you take care of your physical and mental health,
Yeah.
who else is there to support you?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So it starts from you as a human being. Self compassion is what we talk about. So be
Okay.
kind to yourself.
Okay. So Kirti, let me
Ah,
interrupt
so
once
we
more. We are running a short of time, another just 10 minutes. So you
ah,
can maybe make
add
it
on
a little. Yeah.
faster. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So I also wanted to talk about, see, there is always, when you meet the mental health professional, the psychiatrist and the clinical psychologist, what we do is the psychiatrist would give the medication, the clinical
Yeah.
psychologist would add on with therapy. So we have very strong, well-researched therapies like cognitive behavior therapy, acceptance commitment therapy. So we have and plus was lots. So trauma counseling. So these are all very well researched therapies, and we need to get trained in it. So each one of us clinical psychologists, when we go through the training, there is lot of supervision, there's lot of hands-on training. So it's not like over the counter we say don't worry, life is like that. It is definitely not what happens in counseling. It has to be a specific scientific approach to it, and that's the reason why when you go to a mental health professional, you are also helping yourself, taking care of your mental health. So please do not think that it's a stigma going and meeting the mental health professional, because it really helps to come out of it. And the first episode of depression, if you take care of it, you're very clearly also helping or giving the message to you and your family members that I am taking care of myself and I will be able to take care of myself later on. So it's like
Oh,
how we take care of our blood sugar or hypertension. So when we
okay.
take the medicines on time, do exercise, sleep on time, eat healthy food, same way we take care of ourselves when, if at all, there is a episode of depression. So that is
Okay.
also a message which I would like each one of you to look at.
Yeah.
Take when required.
Oh, there is a general myth that once you go to a psychologist and once you're prescribed medicines, you are going to, be, on it for your lifetime. So that's a general myth, and it
Yes.
is a myth. But how can you, bust it?
Yeah, so thanks for bringing that up, because it's important that we understand that all the depression, all the anxieties need not be always on medication. So mild depression, mild anxieties, we can take care through therapies. And if there is
Okay.
a requirement for medication, of course, the SSRIs and the other medications, antidepressants would definitely help. And when taken under supervision, when taken correctly, following up properly, there are many people who have come out of the medication. So it's not that you have to be on medication lifelong, unless it
Okay.
is a recurrent disorder and recurrent depressive disorder or a bipolar disorder, and also there is a strong family history, or you have depression with psychotic symptoms or depression with self-harm, then the medication would go for a longer time.
Okay,
So it's
you
important.
now just you just now said family history.
uh,
Does gene play a role in this?
yes.
Yes.
Yes. So what we
Okay.
understand from research is that about 25% of loading happens, but it's like diabetes. So just because my mother or my father has diabetes, I can get it only if I am not taking care of my health. If I keep
Okay.
eating chocolates and sweets and not walk, then I'm sure by 15 I'll get diabetes. But if I'm
Mhm.
taking care of myself, I can delay the diabetes as long as I can. Same way with
Okay.
mental illness. So it's not that
Okay.
just because you have a family member, it's just the 25%. You have your 75% with you. So when
Okay.
you take care of mental health, definitely you
Mm.
are delaying the process.
Mm.
So
Okay.
that is why each one of us have also to understand that mental health is equally important and take care of
Yeah.
ourselves.
So then why is this social taboo, no? Especially in our community, that you're not speaking about, and you are just closing it under the carpet, and you're not allowed to speak to, and it again reflects lots on your future.
Right.
Like your education, not only your education but your marital
Yes.
life, everything. So why not
Yes.
we? Why is it a social taboo?
See, I'm glad that, my generation was, if I can say, was totally, saying
Yeah.
no. But I'm glad
Yeah.
that the current generation, when I talk to my nieces and my nephews and, the children of my
Yeah.
cousins, we see that they are quite open to talk about
Yeah.
depression and anxieties, and
Yeah.
in fact, they are willing to talk about their worries, not just
Yeah.
going into depression, even worries,
Mm.
small things or big things for them. They are happy to open up about it. And I see
Okay.
that not just in our
But
community.
again, that happens in private audience. That happens in private audience, and within a stipulated family.
Yes,
We don't as a community speak out,
yes.
to a friend rather, maybe very close, and very maybe one or two. I don't understand why the taboo.
That is the reason why we need to have awareness programs like this, to make
Yeah.
people understand that, okay, so what? If you're depressed, take help. It's as simple as having a headache or a fever, and
It's
or
as
give
simple as having a headache. Yeah. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
please note, women of GSB, it's as simple as having a headache or a neck pain or whatnot. The knee pain, even, it's just another form of pain,
Yes,
no
yes,
problem you're
yes,
facing. So
yes,
you can always address it. There are
yes,
people present to, take it up very scientifically, help us come out of it. Why not we do that? Why not we do that? Think about it and bring up a generation who can very, very, very well boldly speak about this kind of topics, like manage them very beautifully. And let's not hide it. Let's not hide it. It's a big thing that I need to tell you when I talked to Kirti, and when she's told us about everything, all aspects of the depression. Yeah, Kirti, please continue. Yeah.
so we also need to understand that caregiver stress can also, so many times what happens is we need a strong caregiver, because a person who's depressed can also needs the time and the love
Yeah.
and affection. So the
Yeah.
person providing the love and affection, the caregiver also needs the support. So we
Yeah.
have to, that's the reason why we need to work together as a community to support each
Mm.
other, and not
Yeah.
say that she is depressed or her daughter is depressed or her sister is
Mm.
depressed.
Right.
uh,
We are
why
being too judgmental about it.
exactly? Okay, why do we need to use those terms? Like how if
Yeah.
you see somebody having a leg pain or a headache, we wouldn't talk about them in maybe
Right.
in the temple or outside. It's
Yeah.
just the fact. Same way, why do you want to use judgmental statements there? Be
Yeah.
kind to them, be
Yeah.
kind to yourself is a
Yeah.
strong message which I would like
Yeah.
every one of us to take to other people.
Yeah. So Kirti is telling us to be not to be judgmental, be kind, give you a patient hearing, and help the person who's depressed come out of it. So that helps you as well, the
Exactly.
caregiver as well. That's what she's trying to tell us. So please try and understand. Now, yeah, Kirti, please. Yeah.
Okay. So I think as a end note, I would want all of us to be collectively looking at being compassionate to each one of us, and of course,
Yeah.
being compassionate